362 Thunderbird. 390 engine.
Uh-huh.
Or might have been 352. So you got, these are your bearings.
Mm-hmm.
Engine bearings. Halves. These are wrist pins for the pistons. They're all welded together. This is the valves, intake valves and exhaust valves. Spark plugs, push rods, and head bolts off of a 3.8 liter Ford.
That's awesome.
That's just one of my sculptures. I got more.
That's good enough.
See this one over here? It's a hedgehog.
Mm-hmm.
These are all Ford had a recall on their 3.8 liter V6s.
Uh-huh.
I was working for Ford, and I just did hundreds of head jobs. Those are all head bolts out of the cylinder heads.
Yeah.
And that's a yoke for a drive shaft.
That is amazing.
And for feet, he's got ball joints. Those are like F-250 ball joints.
Uh-huh. Got anything else?
My wife made this one over here. My wife did a Thunderbird.
Oh, yeah. Do you know what all the parts are to?
This is a cooking pan. There's inner tie rods for a Terrace probably. It's going to be a U-joint for some sort of Ford. These are Caterpillar engine rocker arms. Inner tie rods for something. This is probably a fan pulley for Explorer, Ford Explorer. And I don't know what these gears are out of. There's stuff I've got accumulated along the way.
That's amazing. Thank you for the quick tour.
You bet.